Today we're continuing with our series How to Earn Bitcoin for Free, and this is part 2. So look, if you missed part 1, don't worry, I'll drop a link to that below for you. I'll also drop a link to this blog article below as well. There's lots more different ways that you can earn free Bitcoin essentially. So we're going to continue with the series and move on to part 2. So look, if you missed part 1, don't worry, I'll drop a link to that below for you. It was really simple, really easy, and I showed you very quickly how you can earn over $100 in free Bitcoin, and this £9.66, we covered this in the video as well. And it was really simple, you just watch 2-minute videos. And then once you watch the video, you transfer that into Bitcoin, and essentially you can start earning money. So that was part 1. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a couple more methods that you can use to earn free Bitcoin. And I also, when I first recorded this series here, I actually did an update on this and I shared some results. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you as well. And in this article here, I shared with you how I actually earn over $80 using this platform over here. So it's called Bounty Ox. So in this video, I'll show you how this platform works, I'll show you how to use it, and I'll also share with you some of my earnings. So look, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down below. But let's jump into it and I'll show you exactly how you can earn Bitcoin for free. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So let's just jump over onto the website, and it's this one over here, and it's called Bounty Ox. Now bizarrely, you see up here it still says it's in beta, but it's been in this since 2017. It's been around for a number of years. So basically, sign up. There's a link to this down below, and then this is what it looks like inside the homepage. So on the left hand side, you've got Explore, you've got Bounty Host, Submissions, Profile Settings, etc. Now what happens on here is when a coin or a new cryptocurrency is coming onto the marketplace, or let's say a particular cryptocurrency is trying to get a bit more awareness about their brand, about what they're trying to do, they will use platforms like Bounty Ox to try and get awareness. And it's a bit like what we looked at in part 1 of this series, whereby over on Coinbase they would give you money for watching videos. Well, on this platform here, instead of you watching something, they want you to take action, and basically you can earn currencies for doing so. So you see here where we've got browse categories, you have got, like, let me just show you here. So if you can write a blog article, you can earn some currency. If you can refer people to Telegram, you can earn currencies. If you join a Telegram group, again you can earn. We've got YouTube on here, we've got Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. What else have we got on here? I don't even know what that one is, to be honest with you. And we've got translations. Let's go along a bit further. Oh, we've just gone in a full circle. But some of these on here, they're really simple to do. Like this Facebook one here, it could simply be like someone's Facebook page, or follow someone on Instagram, or join a Telegram. Where is it? Join a Telegram here. Let's show you this. Look, join the Telegram and you will earn $3.04. This one over here, join Telegram, you'll earn $5. It's as simple as that. So if we go back over to Bounty Hosts, at this moment in time, there's only 2 on here. Now originally, when I first went onto this website here, there used to be hundreds of different bounties available. If I go onto this and show you some submissions, these are still current pending submissions of mine, what I have basically submitted on this platform. We've then got approved and we've also got rejected. Now you can see this one here, rejected. So my submission was rejected, and the reason being is cannot find the Telegram handle in the group. But basically what you can do is, if you ever get anything that gets rejected here, you can go ahead and basically email Bounty Ox here. There's a support email, and they will go ahead and get this approved for you. Now some of these on here I'm not too fussed about. Like this one here, 15 tokens for this, I'm not too fussed about. But if I show you these approved ones here, you can see down here, so we've got Ink Protocol, Twitter Bounty, so this was following someone on Twitter. we've got some more down here, but let me show you a couple more. Look at this one here. Ink Protocol Articles Bounty. From I can't remember how much I earned. I included this in this article here for you. So this update in this video here, I share with you exactly how much I earned. From memory, it was about 80. I think it was about $83 or $84 from this article over here. And then there's some other ones on here. So you can see we've got How Do Article Bounty, this one, a YouTube video, a Telegram bounty, and a couple more really. So basically, come over to this website over here. As you've seen, it's pretty simple stuff to do, but you just come on here, click on explore, go through, have a look at what's available. So let's just look at this articles here. So this one here, look, you can potentially earn $192. If I click on here, it will tell you more information about this. So it will tell you about the token here. It will tell you how long's left, current submissions, how much you can potentially earn, and basically it'll tell you how many submissions that you can put into here. Previously in the past you could submit 2 or 3 different articles. So it'll show you everything you need to know. It'll go over the rules, excluded countries, etc. And that's it. So basically this is the website. It's called Bounty Ox. It's okay, it's not great as you've seen on here. There's currently at this moment in time, there's only 2, where it says hosts, there's 2 different companies on here who are trying to get awareness. So let me share with you one other website that you can use, which is simple and it's easy to use. Let me jump over onto that website now. So this is the last one, and it's called the CryptoTab browser. Now there's a number of different methods that you can use with this CryptoTab to earn free Bitcoin, and I downloaded this about 3 years ago now. In fact, I put this article over on the blog where as you can see here, how to earn Bitcoin for free, update and results, and I shared my results with this. Now I don't have the browser on this, is it this laptop? No, it's not. I've got this installed on a different laptop upstairs in my office. Now in this video here, I actually shared how much I'd withdrawn from the browser, so let me go ahead and show it's here. So you can see I show my earnings on here, and we'll go along. I also share a withdrawal on here. It's this one here. You can see I shared when I went ahead and did a withdrawal, and since this, this blog article here was coming up to 2 years ago, I've made a number of withdrawals from here. Now look, the amount of Bitcoin you're going to earn, it's not a lot, it's not a lot at all. But ultimately, it's free, because with this browser here, you download this, you can download it onto your phone, your laptop, your mobile, your iPad, and you can start, basically, you're just browsing on the internet as you normally would do, and you're earning small amounts of Bitcoin. Now if I scroll down here, you can see there's additional features to this. So it's an incredibly lightweight and fast browser. It's got built-in mining features. It's user friendly, and look, it's mining. And when I say crypto mining or Bitcoin mining, you're literally mining minuscule amounts of Bitcoin, because what's happening is it's taking your CPU usage from your laptop, your phone, your mobile, etc., but it's combining yours with all of the hundreds of thousands of people who have downloaded this CryptoTab browser, and you're earning small amounts of Bitcoin. You can see some more examples on here, but you can add this on all of your different devices, and there's also a number of different ways that you can also earn. So this is one, it's the CryptoTab browser. Something they've also recently added in here was, let me just go, oh no, this is the actual browser. Let me go ahead and show you something they've recently added. This here is a link shortener. So basically you can go ahead, grab links online, so like a blog article or a YouTube video or anything like that, you can share those links. If anybody clicks on those links, you can earn Bitcoin from this. So this is, if I go over here and I'll show you this is CB Click. This is included with, you can see, look, it's a URL shortener from CryptoTab. And literally just find like a blog article on the internet, copy this URL up here, come back over here, paste it in here, and then you get given a new link, and you can simply share that around, and the more people who click on that, you can earn Bitcoin from this. If I come up here, they've also included this CryptoTab Start. This here is basically, it's a Chrome extension, and it just allows you to do a few other bits. You've got notes on here, you've got a to-do list, extensions, and other bits. They've also got up here, they've got excuse me, they've got this over on the Google Play Store. You can see it's had 13,000 reviews, and that's, what is that, 4.1, 4.2 out of 13,000. So it's not bad going. So this is an additional option for you. So this crypto tab browser here, there's a link to this down below for you. It's simple, it's easy, and you can earn free Bitcoin from this whilst doing something that you normally do yourself, whether it's on your phone, your laptop, your mobile, etc. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. I'll also drop a link to this blog article here so you can go ahead and have a look at this, because I also shared how I earned money with this, but I also shared how I'd also earned some Bitcoin from Bounty Ox as well. This was about $80 in free Bitcoin. So I'll drop links to everything below for you. Which is the easiest one to make Bitcoin? Well, without a doubt, it's this one over here, this crypto tab browser. Is it the one that's going to earn you the most? Probably not, to be honest with you, but it is the easiest one. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below for me. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.